Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Dog Crates is probably one of the most essential purchases for any medium-sized dog owner. Whether you're a seasoned dog parent or a new one, choosing the right crate can make a world of difference in your dog's comfort, safety, and overall well-being. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dog crates, exploring what makes a great crate, and helping you find the perfect one for your furry friend. Number 5. Midwest iCrate 30-inch Dog Crate. This crate has added security features to keep your pet safe. The slide bolt door latch now features a patented paw block and locking tips. This creates a safer and more secure home for them. The iCrate single-door dog crate measures 30L x 19 x 21 inches. It's suitable for medium dog breeds weighing 25 to 40 pounds. If your dog is larger, consider the next size up. The crate includes a divider panel, a durable and leak-proof plastic pan. It also has protective rubber feet, a carrying handle, and customer support. Everything you need is included. This dog crate sets up in seconds with no tools required. It conveniently folds flat for travel. It's easy to take with you wherever you go. The crate's durable and strong construction creates a secure den for your dog. It has proper ventilation and large door openings. Rounded corner clips make it a safer experience for your dog. What we like? This crate has enhanced security features, like the paw block and locking tips, to keep your dog safe. It's also easy to assemble and folds flat for travel. If you are looking for a secure and portable crate for your medium-sized dog, this is a great choice. What people say. It came with clear, easy-to-follow instructions, but honestly, most people could probably set it up without even reading them. The latch feels secure and sturdy, not cheap or flimsy like some other crates I've seen. This crate is great. It assembles easily and you can quickly collapse it for transporting or storing it, if necessary. Number 4. Midwest LifeStages 30-inch Folding Dog Crate. This crate is perfectly sized for medium dog breeds, specifically those between 21 and 40 pounds. If your dog is near the upper size limit, consider a larger size for their comfort. The crate features a slide bolt latch with a paw block and locking tips, ensuring your pet stays safely inside. These features provide added security and peace of mind. It comes with everything you need, including a divider panel, a leak-proof plastic pan, rubber feet to protect your floors, and a convenient carrying handle. This design makes it easy to use and maintain. The crate assembles in seconds without any tools and folds flat for easy travel or storage. This makes it ideal for both home use and on-the-go adventures. With rounded corners, proper ventilation, and low door thresholds, this crate creates a safe and comfortable den-like space for your dog. It's designed with your pet's well-being in mind. The company has been family-owned for over 100 years, with customer support based in Indiana. They stand behind the quality of their products to help you create a safe and comfortable home for your pet. All setup and safety instructions are provided. Please read them thoroughly before assembly and use to ensure proper and secure installation. What we like? This crate boasts enhanced security features, including a slide bolt latch with paw block. It also includes a divider panel and leak-proof pan for convenience. If you have a medium-sized dog that needs a safe and easy-to-use crate, this one is perfect. What people say. The fit is perfect for the crate, the Velcro closures at every corner makes putting on, and using the cover extremely easy and foolproof. It washed and dried, great, pictures are after it was washed. Easy to install. It's very attractive, doesn't smell and it's breathable. I used the divider while he was a tiny thing, put his bed in and boom, he understood the assignment. As he got bigger, I moved the divider more and more until he no longer needed it. Basically, I don't have to buy a new crate and waste money. I got a crate that grows along with your pup. It's amazing. Perfect for trips. Just fold it down and throw it in the trunk. Number 3. Midwest 30-inch Dog Crate Cover. This crate cover features Teflon fabric protector. It repels liquids and stains, making it easy to wipe clean. It helps keep the cover looking newer for longer. The cover measures approximately 30 by 19 by 21 inches. It's designed to fit most standard metal dog crates, including iCrate and New World models. This ensures a snug fit for your dog's comfort. This cover helps reduce anxious behaviors. It provides the privacy and security dogs instinctively seek. This can help reduce barking and chewing. It's compatible with single, double, and triple door crates. The flaps lift for adjustable visibility and ventilation. It does not accommodate top door crates. The cover is made from lightweight, polycotton designer fabric. It has hook and loop tabs to keep it securely in place. It also allows for airflow to keep your pet comfortable. It's machine washable and dryer friendly. This makes cleaning hassle-free. No tools are required for use or installation. The company has been family-owned for over 100 years. They have customer support based in Indiana. They stand behind the quality of their products. What we like. This crate cover features Teflon fabric protector that repels liquids and stains. It also creates a calming environment for your dog. If you like a clean and comfortable space for your dog, this cover is a must-have. What people say. Sturdy construction. Easy to assemble. Good quality. Number 2. Carlson Blue Secure Metal Dog Crate, Small. This crate is built to last with its all-steel construction. It's designed to withstand daily use, providing a safe and secure space for your pet. Featuring a single door with a secure locking system, it ensures your pet's safety. The design makes it easy for your dog to enter and exit the crate. It includes a removable and washable blue pan. This feature makes cleaning up accidents a breeze, keeping the crate fresh and hygienic. The crate has a fold-and-go system for easy portability. It's perfect for storage and car travel, making it convenient for trips. This crate is ideal for smaller breeds and puppies, accommodating pets up to 25 pounds. It provides a comfortable and secure environment for your furry friend. What we like. This crate is built with durable all-steel construction and a secure locking system. The fold-and-go system makes it easy to transport. If you are looking for a sturdy and portable crate for your small breed dog, this is a great option. What people say. Sturdy construction. Easy to assemble. Good quality. Number 1. New World 24-inch single-door dog crate. This crate is perfectly sized for small breeds, measuring 24.77 by 17.92 by 19.5 inches. It's ideal for dogs between 12 and 20 pounds. If your dog is near the upper size limit, consider a larger size for more space. The slide bolt latch includes a patented paw block and locking tips. These features help keep your pet safely inside. You can rest assured knowing your dog is secure. This crate comes with everything you need. It includes a divider panel, a leak-proof plastic pan, rubber feet to protect your floors, and a carrying handle for easy transport. Assembly is quick and easy, requiring no tools. When you need to move or store it, the crate folds flat and has a convenient handle. The design includes rounded corners, proper ventilation, and low door thresholds. These features create a safe and comfortable, den-like space for your dog. What we like. This crate features enhanced security with a slide bolt latch and patented paw block. It includes a divider panel and leak-proof pan. If you are looking for a safe and convenient crate for your small dog, this is a great choice. What people say. Sturdy construction. Easy to assemble. The door latches securely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.